Jamie plans to purchase a car that depreciates or loses value at a rate of 12% per year. The initial cost of the car is $19,000. How much money will the car be worth after 3 years? Our problem states that the initial value of the car is $19,000. Since the value of our car is depreciating or losing value at a rate of 12% each year, we know this is an example of exponential decay. To calculate our decay rate, we need to subtract 12% from the entire value of the car, or 100% of the value of the car. When we do this, we notice our decay rate is 88%, or as a decimal, 0.88. Finally, X represents our time, and the question asks us to calculate the value of the car in 3 years. When we plug all this into the calculator, we estimate that our $19,000 car will only be worth approximately $12,947.97 after 3 years. Our second example says Bethany is opening a savings account at her local bank. She invests an initial amount of $5,000. Her bank gives 5 1/4% interest on her account each year. How much money will Bethany have after 25 years? Again, Bethany's initial investment is $5,000. That goes in for A. Since the bank is paying Bethany interest, Bethany is earning more money each year. Therefore, this is an example of exponential growth. To calculate our growth rate, we might first want to convert 5 1/4% to a percent containing a decimal, or 5.25%. We will need to add 5.25% to our entire savings each year, or 100% of our savings. When we do this, we calculate our growth rate to be 105.25%. And by moving the decimal place 2 places to the left, we end up with a decimal equivalent of 1.0525 for our growth rate. Finally, X represents our time. And in this case, the question asks us to find the value of our account after 25 years. When I plug all of this into the calculator, after 25 years, my savings account will be worth $17,968.95. The second part of our question states, how much interest has Bethany accumulated over that time? Since Bethany has not withdrawn or deposited any money during this time, all of the money earned is in the form of interest. If Bethany's initial investment was $5,000, and she now has $17,968.95, we simply need to subtract the values to figure out just the amount of interest that has been added. When we subtract $17,968.95 minus $5,000, that equals $12,968.95. So Bethany has earned $12,968.95 in interest from the bank.